Hi guys, my name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you how to download TSU. It's a new app. I saw it on YouTube and well, I decided to try it out. So I'm on Play Store, so you just type in the name, search for TSU, that's TSU. This is the icon right here, click on it. I've downloaded it already, so I'm just going to register. So thank you for being an early adopter. Yay! Okay, well, I wasn't the first on YouTube. Maybe I'll be like the second on this. Okay, I'm not the second. Probably 100 million something subscribers or downloaders. Okay, let's go straight. So I'm gonna click put in my email. Down, my email is there. Continue. Press continue. Then my name. Yeah, good looking name. Okay, then surname. Yep, very African. Yep. Can you pronounce it? Put it in my comments. You can pronounce that name. Oh, sorry. You just write the name. Okay. Then you put in password. Yeah, I'm gonna hide this for sure. So, to create a password on this app, put in your password, you have to have one capital letter, then the others could be small letters, then you have to have numbers, there. So I'm gonna put this. Then you also have to have a symbol, maybe an hashtag or at. You have to have it in your password. So you have to have capital letters, number, then hashtag or any of those, like ads, exclamation mark, question mark, stuff like that. So I'm going to type it again. Just hope I remember this password by the time I'm done. Okay. Then date of birth, put in the year I was born. Okay, that. Then come up here and click the date. You can see February is up here. So you click the arrow so they can choose your month. And if you want to know, I'm December. Yeah. Then click the date in December. Then press OK. You put in the year, the month, and the day. Then after that, it says, okay, invited by a username, optional. Invite by username. Okay, so that's cool. It's like I can send out invites, but instead of just the link being there, my name will be there. Correct. Let's try it out first. Let me put in my name. Then click agree. I may try reading the terms and conditions. Seriously, I think most people don't read the terms and conditions on some social medias. So yeah, you can read it, terms and conditions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click sign up. Still round and round and round. So it says, okay, my password's been saved. save. Okay. Hello friends, create your profile with bio, photos and videos. Oh, that's cool. Create your profile. Tap here to add your profile pics, cover image, bio details. You can edit later anytime. So one of the reasons why I was downloading this app was because it said it pays its creators. So something like YouTube again, but it's still new and growing. So I just want to try it out. Access your future. Tap your profile pics in the top left corner to access your menu and navigate the app. So let's move on and on. Joining communities. That's cool. Okay, the community. Summer. Okay. The good stuff. View your earnings and redeem. Wow, that's great. Okay, invite your friends, invite your besties for a 10% award rate on money they generate. They generate or I generate. Invite your besties for 10% award rate on money they generate. Okay, go to my profile or done. So I'm going to click done. It says looks loading. So if I'm correct, this will be the home page. So I can see up here it's saying what's on your mind. So that's the home page. Then add photos, add videos right here. Then post. So I guess right now it's loading the feed. Okay. I don't know. It's kind of like slow. I'm not sure if my internet or it's just the app. Okay, maybe I'll just move on. You're part of the community, you get. It says you aren't part of any community. So how do I join? My community, no suggest community. Original content, photography world of happiness, food lovers, world traveling, follow back. Okay, create. Okay, so now I can create my own community. Communities are great way to share and discover content around a common interest. So I guess I'll put in the community name there, then picture, then description, then choose a topic. Okay, community type, then public. Okay, that's good. Let me check the plus in the center. What's that do? Okay, allow TSU to take pictures. Allow. Okay. So I guess this will take you. Yeah, I can zoom a picture. Okay, so let me test this out. Let's see, click. So let me test this out. Let's see, click the max. Visibility, public. Okay, Hey, it's my picture right there. Still waiting for this to load. Okay, that's just slow. Okay, I don't have any messages, so nothing here for now. Okay, I'll click this. So it says Michael, following Tsū. Wow, following people already. Okay, so badge, I have a badge. I clicked on something right there. I'll go back. So I'm clicking on this pencil up here. Okay, I can put a profile picture. I'll click on the image itself in the center, the one in the circle. Let's see, where do I have pictures I can use? Screenshot. Okay, let me use that. Using this. Then cover picture. Okay, that's great. Let's click on that. Just use this. Profile bio up to 160 characters. Okay. Relationship status, websites. Okay, they have a website yet. Oh, it has a place for YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. That is cool. So I'll go get those ones later. Okay, let me just go back for now. So let's click this little piggy here. So I click the piggy at the end right here. And she's telling me, okay, my income is 0, so I can't exactly redeem anything. Okay. So I'm gonna click this house icon and come back. Okay, now click on screen. Okay, now I can see other people's feed. Let's take a moment. Share the photo. Oh. Wow, this guy just shared this. Certainly, I don't know how long the videos can be. So I wonder what's the length of the videos I can load. Let's say then if I posting video, I don't know, do I have any video here? Okay, click on that. Okay, this is something I created on TikTok. Okay, anyone can see this post. Okay. what's on your mind. Say okay, how to change your cursor. Okay, then post. Okay, it's loading. Now I'm gonna be giving you an update on this app. It's new. I really don't know that much about it yet. Well, test it out and see how it works. So please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Just say something, just like. Thank you. Bye.